My name is Caitlin, and today I will be going over how to create and edit a map in Tableau. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up a blank sheet, and you're going to be using latitude and longitude. So you can either double-click latitude, double-click longitude, and it'll take it to where it needs to go, or you can take longitude, and you can drag it to columns, and you can take latitude and you can drag it to rows, like so. So the next thing I'll be going over is what to do now and how to edit it and use the marks right here. So my data is employee data and Q12 data. Your data will look different, but for my sake, I'm going to drag state to details like so, and that'll highlight that and zoom in on the states. And then I'm going to take from my data inclusiveness and drag it to color. So when you change the color or something, when you want to change the color, you can just drag it to color. And then mine popped up as sum, but for my data, I want average inclusiveness by state. So I'm going to click this button, measure, average, but you can do whatever is best for your specific data. And then to change the color, I'm going to click this little box, color, edit colors. I'm going to click this drop-down menu, and it gives you all these options. I'm going to click temperature diverging for mine. You can edit it. I'm going to click OK. So that changes the colors. And then in my data, I'm going to take employee name, and I'm going to drag it to labels. And then to change this, I'm going to change it, click this button. I'm going to change it from measure. I'm going to change it to count distinct. And then that'll show the count of the employee names. And so that's changing it from like a blue pill to a green pill. So now I'm going to go over how I do this one more time, but I'm also going to show you how to change the size also, if that is applicable to what you're working on. So you can drag, I could drag state to size, and then that'll populate a key that shows the different sizes for each state, compare it with the data. And so then you can click the little square size thing and change the size with this bar, bigger or smaller, and then it should populate, so each one's a different size based on inclusiveness and count of an employee. So now I'm going to go over how to do this all one more time. So I dragged state to details. Then I took inclusiveness. I dragged it to color. And then for my data, I wanted to change it from sum to average. So I clicked this. I clicked measure sum, average. And then to change the color, I clicked color, edit colors. This button, and then I clicked temperature diverging, and then I took employee name and I dragged it to label, and for mine I changed it from a blue pill to a green pill. I clicked measure, count distinct, and then if you want to change it to circle sizes, you can just mess with it, and I can drag state to size, and that'll highlight all the different states. You can see over here key, and then you can click size, and then you can use this to change it. And then the last thing that I'm going to show you is how to filter the data. So for my data, I'm going to take department. I'm going to filter it by department. And I'm going to drag department to filters. So you can drag whatever to the filters box. And then let's say I want to filter it by sales department. So I'm going to click sales. Okay. And now it's filtered by sales department. And then if I wanted to maybe edit it, I could go here, click this drop down button, click edit filter. And now let's say I want to do production. So I could click production, unclick sales. Okay. And now it's filtered by production. I'll show you how to do that one more time. I'm going to drag department to filters. I'm going to click sales. Okay. Then I'm going to edit it. I'm going to click here, edit filter, production. Okay. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.